Hi guys, welcome to the Keke and neekneek channel. Today we're gonna be doing a taste test video, but don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notified whenever we post a new video. So yeah, but let's get into the video.
This got 24
comes with
pieces.
24 pieces. It's like little tiny miniature candy canes. It's green apple and watermelon. We're gonna be trying out. So yeah, it says mini candy cane. It says the flavors is green apple and watermelon. So yeah, let's just taste it out and let's give you our feedback.
Now we post.
Let's taste it. Let's taste it.
Like close our eyes.
So we're gonna be like, I'm gonna hold the box. No rock paper scissors. Whoever loses gotta go blind. We gotta blind them first, and then they're gonna like close their eyes, and then I'm gonna pick one and I'm gonna give it to her. She gotta like figure out what it is. So yeah, let's do this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Alright, I guess I'm gonna close my eyes. No cheating. I'm not gonna. No. Don't do that. Alright. Go. Pick. Come on.
You got green apple.
Oh, wow. Okay, now I have to pick again. She told me. Why would you tell me? Oh wait, can I shut? Is it? Can the camera see it?
Yeah.
It's a stand up police.
Y'all supposed to eat it.
This is
Y'all supposed to eat it.
Is this green apple?
Yes.
It's
See,
good.
I was telling you.
This is good.
Put this in there.
No, she opened it. Alright, my turn. Oh, good. My turn. I give you great credit for that. I actually recommend you buy these. My turn. Like. Go to the camera. You can see it.
You weak.
I can't see. Watermelon.
Nope.
But it don't even taste like green apple.
Yes, it
does.
No,
If you bite it.
Alright.
Not mine. My turn.
It's good.
It's real good. I actually recommend these.
I actually didn't taste it until she said it.
I recommend these.
Yeah, you got this. So you go eat them?
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Alright. We're only gonna do 5 rounds, I guess.
10.
No, like 5.
No, until it's all gone.
Alright.
Until it's all gone.
Can the camera see it?
No. Yep. So wait. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Now.
Yes.
Yep.
Nope.
No. Why would you get the kind I wanted? Alright. It didn't taste like green apple.
Come on.
That's good.
Come on.
I recommend that too.
Keep biting it.
Come on.
Alright. Okay.
Oh. That's good.
I don't like it watermelon. I'm be mad if I don't.
Go ahead and do that.
Watermelon.
Yep. Huh. Camera can't even see us.
Okay. And I watermelon finally.
I got good taste buds. No cheat. Can the camera see it? Oh, yeah. That's not fair. Well, it's not fair. Nobody bought it. Oh! Well, none.
Yeah. Yep. What you was doing? Why you doing this? Why you
Trying
kept
to get
doing
that
this?
flavor.
How
Like,
many
bro.
greens?
You chicken. I'm trying to find how. Ew.
Hold on.
It's green enough.
No, let's just dump it out and then. Cause I don't feel like keep doing it. Okay. Drop in my mouth when these jump.
Oh.
Alright, boy.
Wait.
Come on. Okay, the camera see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Green apple.
Yep. We is good at this, like, bruh.
But she got the first one wrong. Okay, shut up. Alright.
Y'all not say that.
Alright, come on.
This is good.
Come on.
Alright, hold up.
Right. Go.
No, hold on.
Wait. Drop it, man.
Shit, what's up?
Drop it. I gotta add something. Why you adding some more?
It's done?
No.
It's done?
No. Being angry right now.
I'm tired of having my cold eyes.
You say you tired of having your eyes closed.
You done? Is she done?
Yeah, I'm done.
What the? What the freak is that? I'm curious. Can the camera see it?
Yeah. Yes.
We need the pound. What is this? Put it down. You give up?
Bite it.
You stupid.
You give up.
Oh! Is that little peppermint ball?
Yes.
Stupid.
Why you doing this?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get this stuff. I
Ready?
don't like that. I don't recommend these. Tastes funky.
Alright. Alright, ready? Hey. But stop doing it out. Stop. Oh, did you see it? Hold on.
That's kind of like cheating.
How?
Because you can feel the shape. What's happening there? What the?
Shut up. Who told you to get that?
Myself, I
Well. Can the camera see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
I remember all y'all was just little babies. Now y'all just some bad gremlins.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah, I
5.
remember all y'all was babies.
Green apple.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Stop! This is a video, man.
Oh look.
Alright, I'm not. Alright. Okay, yeah, get the. Gang gang. Still gang gang. Okay.